si Ana Marie, and on behalf of Char, kami lahat ay nagpapasalamat at nag-echo-echo siya. At kaya itong mati. Anyway, sa mga pamilya, maraming salamat na dumating kayo. I mean, like, this day is like super special. Alam mo, like, it's just coronavirus all the time. Sa mga pauwi na, actually, earlier today we were talking about dun sa mga tao na pauwi na ng April. And it's a sad thing, alam mo yun. So, sabi ko,
Medyo. Wala picture na naman.
anyway, some of us are
Ewan ko saan yung music pre, nawala. Ha? Nawala yung music. Nawala? Wala.
some of you who are going home, thank you so much for coming. And have a fucking Monday tomorrow.
What the hell? Fucking next time ulit. Next time. Next time. Next time,
Nawala yung music natin sa...
Hindi, hindi na.
Linggo pa lang ngayon, hindi ako nakarating.